Ich will jetzt ganz schnell machen, weil ich will hinter das Geheimnis kommen.
It worked! She's back!
Oh, my queen! My grace! Welcome back!
Where am I?
You're in Glass Mountain, remember? You were trapped.
Oh, yes. Yes, of course. Glass Mountain. You saved me. But how?
Me? I'm Anna, Your Highness. I found Winfrieda's secret room, and, well, before that I was trying to stop the wedding, and, I guess it's kind of a long story.
Winfrieda? Winnie? The wedding? Oh no, the wedding! You don't mean Winnie...
Is marrying the king today. That's why I came here, you see.
Then it really is too late. She's done it after all these years. She has proven Mother wrong, just like she said she would. She has finally succeeded in fighting the Wanderer's telling of word.
Huh? Wait. No, it's not too late. I've saved you, so we can go and stop the wedding. Come on, let's go do this. Quick, quick. Your Highness?
Anna, for saving me, you have my greatest thanks. You have done so well. For that, the least I can do is help you understand why. Why now? There is naught we can do.
Stay with Rinkrank, yes!
What do you mean? No, hold on, Janika.
Du kannst sie aufhalten. Du kannst die Hochzeit aufhalten.
You can stop her. You can stop the wedding. Don't you see? If the queen comes back, Winfrieda can't marry the king.
Indeed, this would be the outcome. But Anna, this wedding means everything to her. It is the culmination of her efforts, and to disrupt that, with all those people there, it would be disastrous.
But, we can't just let her become queen, so we have to find a way to end this peacefully? Somehow.
I tried. Many years ago, I tried. But she rejected me. For her, peace is not an option. She has a hate that can't be reasoned with. She has always fought her way through life. This would be no exception.
Who is Winfrieda fighting? Word?
Oh no, not who, but what. How do I say? It is a kind of fate, I suppose. But it's more complicated than that. Word is the pattern that shapes our destinies. Influenced in many ways by everything we do, everything our ancestors did. Causality and consequence. It is what will happen, is happening, and what has already happened.
Oh, okay. But what about this does Winfrieda not like?
Winnie, we were but children when she did something unforgivable. It forever shaped what word would mean for Winfrieda, what would become her destiny. Suffice it to say, it was not to Winfrieda's liking, and she swore to fight against it.
Okay. Und oh. Das mit Hans, ne?
What did Winfrieda do?
Perhaps it's best not to bring up the past. All that needs to be understood is her greed for power. It has always been her motivation, even back then.
Wait. Our parents? You and Winfrieda are sisters?
Indeed, raised by our parents at the Volkt School of Witchcraft.
Then you're family. You have to be able to reason with her.
That is exactly why I cannot. She envies me, perhaps even hates me. After her path and word was decreed, she ran away from home. We are strangers to one another, or those unfortunate childhood memories.
No, that's not right. However near or far we may be, in our hearts we carry our family.
I'm sorry?
There's something more to this. The portrait I took from her. Look.
This... Where did you get this? This was my family. This was Mother's. I remember now. It went missing, right after Winfrieda ran away from home.
Janika, she still had it with her. If she kept it all these years, then your family means something to her still.
I suspect she has different reasons for that, Anna. She's determined to prove Word wrong in every way, and part of that is retaining how she used to look before Word changed her.
But she kept the whole portrait, in a safe even, and the spell. She wrote the spell on it. It said, "You also hear the other part." She means her part, right?
Anna, listen to me. You cannot hope to understand her. Any sense of reasoning is buried far beneath a blind, hate-filled need for revenge. Revenge for something she feels was undeserved. But the sad truth is, it was all her own doing. She just can't accept it.
Wow. Aber das kann doch nicht so enden.
What are you doing here? Why did you leave the castle?
I am not proud of it. I acted in haste, but now I must stand by my actions. During the night, when Frida had snuck into the castle unawares and confronted me, she was in a rage. She talked to me of how her time had come, and she threatened me with Bernhardt's life.
Oh no, Ben.
I can't say why, but a spell taught in my childhood suddenly came to mind. An animal familiar spirit spell, to guide and protect. It made sense, but to cast such a spell is to put your own mind in a constant state of rest.
So you needed to put yourself in a place where you could do that.
Precisely. I cast a spell on myself to transport to the furthest reach from Winfrieda, and from here I called upon the animal familiar spirit to protect Bernhardt. It took him body and mind and has protected him to this day.
That's why you don't want to leave, isn't it? If you do, the spell won't work. Ben, he won't be safe from Winfrieda.
With each passing moment I am not resting. The connection to the animal familiar spirit wanes.
All those people left behind, though. Not everyone can be protected from her.
I know, but I can do nothing for them. It is not within my power. What is protecting Bernhardt. So that is what I must continue to do. Anna, I'm afraid I have spent too much time in unrest. You must excuse me.
No, wait. The Wizard of Wunderhorn. He told me something. He said that you are the only one strong enough to reverse her magic.
Me? But I do not practice in magic anymore. My path in Word was to become queen. I could not rule people in fear of me. Winnie, she has only grown in power over the years. She is stronger than I ever was.
But the wizard also... If you don't stop her, then... What then?
I am sorry, Anna. Deeply sorry. I am without answer to Winfrieda's threat, and so I have to think of Bernhardt. I have to protect him. Please, leave me be so I may rest now.
Oh Mann. Also sind wir schon mal. Aber ihre Verkleidung hält. Das heißt, eigentlich, wenn sie immer dunkle Magie gewirkt hat, deswegen ist sie alt geworden. Die Winfriede. Und deswegen muss sie einen Zauber wirken, damit sie wieder jung aussieht. Anders kann ich mir das nicht erklären.
Is she planning on just staying here forever doing that? I'm not sure I've ever seen such beautiful flowers. My gosh, who would have thought Oh, these flowers would be perfect for a flower girl. Miss Yannicka? These flowers, is that part of your protection spell or anything?
Oh no. Those were part of a disenchantment spell I was working on from inside the prism. I was attempting to reconstruct the enchanted rose to see if I could break the spell.
Oh, I'm so sorry, Annika. Winfrieda tricked me into taking it.
Never mind. What's done is done. You are my savior in the end, regardless. Please, do what you will with the flowers. They are yours.
He seems kind of preoccupied. I might just leave him be.
Da bleibt gerade echt nicht mehr viel zu sagen.
Can I ask you one last favor?
Huh?
The Queen, Yannicka, she's doing something really important, so make sure you take good care of her, okay? I can't say for certain what might happen back at the castle, but when it's over, the people, her son, they'll need her. You understand that, right?
Oh,
Fine. Yes, yes. Rinkrank understands. Yes.
Good, good. All right. Thanks, Rink Rank. I guess I better get going now.
Winfrieda hat einen Mord begangen und damit ihr Schicksal
Then if all goes well, Ben will be
besiegelt.
safe, and she won't need to stay there anymore. So you head back and wait for her. You got it? You got it, I know. Thanks as always, Red Dragon. Right. Back to the flower girl thing then. I have the flowers now at least. But what else was there? Supposedly I need a nicer dress as well. Not that I see anything wrong with mine.
Oh, das hat mich jetzt gerade so ein bisschen rausgeschmissen.
I'll leave him be now.
Wir laufen mal hoch oder klettern mal hoch.
Anna, how is Mother? Did you break the spell?
I can't break the spell. It seems like it's something only Winfrieda can do.
Oh, I see.
Ben, this wedding, it's all up to us now.
Right. Yes. Thank you, Anna, for finding Mother, but we can do this. If I have to face Winfrieda to save Mother, then I will.
Right. That's right. We will. Winfrieda won't like it. She might even try to fight back, but I won't do that. I just won't. Not while I have another way. And I might just have one.
All right. I trust you, Anna. Whatever it is, I think you can do it.
Right. Well, we still need a way into the wedding then. Time to get back to finding my flower girl stuff, I guess.
So, wir haben jetzt Ben darüber unterrichtet.
Hey, Ben. How are you going in there?
Hi, Anna. Oh, I'm okay.
Okay.
Have you got what you need to get into the wedding yet?
No, sorry. Soon, though, I promise. Sit tight, Ben. I'll be right back.
So, Thema Goldmünze, immer noch. Im Fluss ist eine Goldmünze.
No, not really in a... I
Jetzt.
should try using my power for something else, I think.
Goldmünze, Goldmünze.
No. It's a beautiful dress with puffy sleeves and a big gold brooch and everything. Only thing is, it's way too big for me. It's a beautiful dress with puffy sleeves and a big gold brooch and everything. Only thing is, it's way too big for me. So nice and soft. I'm not sure I've ever seen such beautiful. These should
Mir. Nee, 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 nee. Nee, 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 nee. Nee, da liegt nirgendwo eine Goldmünze rum. Aber ich habe da gerade eine Idee.
Well, the dress isn't exactly mine to alter, but this brooch would be useful in so many other ways. I'm sorry, Tree Spirit. It's for the good of the realm. I hope.
So, warte. Ich habe nicht... Zählt das als Goldmünze?
Ah, yes. This should be gentle enough for pigeon post. I'll just wait until I have the mail order ready to go first, though. Still need that gold coin. I'm not sure what good that would do. Ah, yes. This should be gentle enough for pigeon post. I'll just wait until I have the mail order. There, one gold coin. I hope that will do the trick. Now it's all paid
Ich habe
for.
gerade
Ready
übrigens
to be
tatsächlich
sent.
den Mund auf.
Although, I don't know. I feel like something might still be missing. Ah, yes. This should be gentle enough for pigeon post. There, that's better.
Als ich vorm Schloss stand, habe ich noch mal geguckt, was wir hier haben. Danke. Und ich habe da so einen ganz kleinen Kreisel gesehen. Und dann habe ich mir gedacht,
It's a beautiful
ich
dress,
klicke mal
even
das
without the
Kleid
big
an.
gold brooch. Only thing is, it's way too big for me.
Und da war sie. Die Goldbrosche. Ich dachte erst, also wir müssen sie abschneiden, weil ich konnte sie nicht abmachen. Also das Messer. Hätte sie jetzt nicht die Goldmünze mit dem Briefchen verbunden, wäre ich jetzt gerade echt in den Keller gestratzt und hätte versucht, mit der Schaufel die Goldbrosche auf der Schaufel mitsamt Ofen zu schmelzen. Also das wäre jetzt mein nächster Weg gewesen. So. Taube.
Well, this is a pigeon post, just like the coupon asked for. Here we go, little fellow. One mail order ready to be delivered. Lucky you. You know, I felt like I was just beginning to get along with the little guy. And now suddenly he's leaving the nest, flying off into the workplace. Time goes so quickly.
Hä?
Whoa, I didn't realize it went that quickly,
Okay, das
though.
geht jetzt
My
instant.
gosh. Yes, a
Der
nice
goldene,
new shiny
Handschuh, wollte
magic
ich grad
gold
sagen.
thimble.
Der goldene Kompass. Nein, Fingerhut. So, jetzt habe ich's. So, und jetzt ganz schnell zu Cindy. Cindy, ich hab da was.
Hey, look what I found. This could be pretty useful to you, couldn't it?
Well, I'll be. A gold thimble. Stars above, where did you find yourself something like this?
I have my ways. I'm glad you like it, Cindy. It's all yours.
My gosh, thank you, Anna. You may have saved these wedding guests yet.
But hopefully not the wedding itself.
Leave me to it, sweet thing. I'll have your dress mended in no time now.
Now that I think about it, I hope that thimble isn't just some cheap trick.
So, Moment mal. Wir haben doch immer noch das Kleid. Okay, ich habe nichts gesagt. Wir haben doch kein Kleid. Ich dachte, das müssen wir jetzt noch geben. Entschuldigung. Also, dieser Expressversand mit der Taube, ja, den wünsche ich mir auch bitte hier für Deutschland.